Okay. Hi everyone. Okay. Today I'm going to explain to you how OC-300 work directly in the media query machine, the FCM PC. Okay, so first of all, you can access the folder name OC-300 run in the desktop. Click here, and then to open the workspace, you use this on-site side on. Open this, double click. Okay, so of course you have to open the FCM as well. No worry about this because the power now is not on. I'm just going to explain. Okay, so open the FCM and then select Instrument and Remote Interface Model. This is for online mode. Okay, so back to here. So when you open the FCM, the OC-300, the workspace will look like this. And there are several options that you can select here. First of all, click File. You can choose your own script folder and select the output folder. For example, open script folder, click here, and this is mine, for example. But you can also use, so this is the from the company they gave us. Select here, select the folder, and now uh, the list of all the script will appear up here. So you can see these are all the script we have that the company they sent out initially. Okay, so click view, you will see some option like refresh connected pumps or refresh connected FCM. So whenever you open the like turn on the system, you have to make sure that all the like pump and FCM is connected to this software. So click here. So it will connect with the pump and the green bar will appear like that. And the name of the pump will appear up here because now the pump is not turned on yet. So you will not see here, but usually it will look like this. Okay. Name the pump and the name of the FCM. Similarly, you can do with the FCM. Refresh FCM. Yes. Oh, it already connected, right? Okay. So no, this is don't have to worry. Script photos, script selector, and script editor. So for script selector, as you can see here, we have number of script like initiate, cleaning, pushing, priming, pilot, measuring, and final cleaning. So by a script, if you want to select, you can just click here to select the script. For example, cleaning, and a script they will explain to you what the script meaning and why we need this script. Okay, and you can also edit the script by your own by clicking this. So here you can write something, change everything you want, and then save or save as here. Okay. And down up here, there are several functions. For example, is it run, is it post, stop, and you can select whether repeat or unrepeat. And this is just the folder you are going to save your file. Here we have, for example, the initiate. Click here. We call initiation script. So this is just to check whether all the system have connected. And when you click run, there will, if it connected, then you will hear some sound from the OC-300 machine that the pump is responding. It's just a very quick sound. So before you run the system, check this script first to check with if the pump is working. and then cleaning. So also again read the explanation here. So this screening script for two simple line and two state solution, blah blah, and they will explain what should you do. Run the script sequentially with hypochlorite solution, quenching solution, and HB water. So just follow this, and just for this script you just run. You don't have to like adjust anything. Okay. So I will explain what is the two lines and two stain. Pushing again, priming. Um, there will be some explanation, but I'm not usually using two script. So payload mean it will empty the chamber before starting your um, the main script. So here after emptying, it will connect with the measuring immediately. So when you click this, it means you will also select the measuring script. Okay. So measuring. So this is the main script we usually use. So this script um, contain the command to like controls the OC-300 line by line. So for example, when the pump will pump which solution and how much blah blah, it will appear all here. So for two, if you have two samples and two staining, then you can just use this code, and you don't have to change. I think so. For this, for now, you don't have to change. Okay, so I will explain a little bit here. So we have like port 1 to port 12, and each port will connect with example. So you also have to check with in the manual which is which. For example, here. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so here they have the position of each port in um the machine, the OC-300 machine. So you can check port 1, port 2, port 3, port 4, and back to here you will see it will it have to connect to the correspond solution here. Okay. So here is just the total volume. The pump going to pump each solution, and also, there's some explanation here like dead volume, replacement, sample volume, stain volume, blah blah. And the last one is time to repeat the entire process. So we call this like loop, or you can adjust this whether 7 or 3, 4, 5. It depends on you. It will continuously repeat each measurement until 7 times. Okay. So this is the template of the FCM. When you load it, it means it will load to the FCM. For example, here, if I run it, then the template will be loaded here. Okay. So you can change this again. You can also click like replace this. I will explain how to make the link like this later. Okay. Here's pretty much like palm and then mix and clean and solution and mix blah blah. So I think for now you don't have to understand all these things, but later on, I think you have to understand it by yourself, and maybe you can ask me later because there's a lot of things to explain here. And I think in the manual there will be some explanation for the command. So okay. So for this, you can just click run, and then uh also remote. repeat mode active, or you can click repeat. So it keep running, and you never stop. Okay. So after each loop, there will be some waiting time here. So for example, now I leave it like this is the second, so I leave it like 3 hours. But you can also change this like 2 hours, 4 hours. It depends on you. So this is important. So how to change it? Script editor, measuring, blah 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 here, and yes, you can change this now. Okay. Okay. Um, so this is just overall explanation. And when we do the run operation, the system, there will be um maybe something will appear. Then I can explain later. Okay, so this is about on-site, and let me see. Always you have to stick with this. I think they explain quite everything here. Okay, so this is for data processing. Open this. This is simple, so no worry. hmm I think I can record it later separately. It doesn't cook here. Okay. Uh, so after finishing measurement, you will use this software to do the data processing. So for example, here select the data, and this is the each folder. Add blah blah. So yes, you can select here. hmm Done. Filter setup, maybe all file, or you can auto selection. For example, only the file with samples, because there will be some well with cleaning. Just for example, okay. Okay, done. Gate. So you can draw your own gate by just new gate here, or draw by yourself and just name the gate. Select this. No, should I already? Okay, add the gate, right? So you will have it here. Okay, so if you click everything here, okay, done. Close setup, maybe no, you don't have to. Statistic, column, concentration, or count. Okay, select folder, depends you, and data analysis. So should run. Okay, few seconds, right? So you check the results um here. Mm. Desktop output to here. Okay, so wait. Desktop somewhere output to here. Um, data sample. and to say, yeah. So the result will look like this, and you can just select the Excel file, open it. Okay, so there will be some um, results here. So this is the gate, and this is the number. You can also check the like cell per microliter here, blah blah, and you have the date, you have the time. So yes, so now it's your own. You can deal with this based on your data. Okay. Okay, I think it's pretty much everything you need to know before the training sessions. So when you understand it, well, I will just run the system and we will take less our time. Okay. Okay.